Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lexus Cruise Control. First, find the cruise control stalk, usually on the right side of your steering wheel. Push the button on the end of this stalk to activate the system. You'll see an indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming that cruise control is now ready to be set. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a more relaxed driving experience on highways or long stretches of road. Once the system is active, accelerate to the speed you wish to maintain. When you reach that speed, simply push the cruise control stalk downwards. You'll feel a slight click, and then you can release the stalk. Your Lexus will now hold that speed automatically, allowing you to take your foot off the accelerator pedal. This is perfect for consistent speeds on open roads. To adjust your speed, gently push the stalk up to increase or down to decrease by 1 mile per hour. For larger adjustments, hold the stalk in the desired direction. If you need to cancel cruise control, simply pull the stalk towards you or lightly press the brake pedal. Both actions will disengage the system, giving you full manual control of your vehicle again instantly. If you've canceled cruise control temporarily and wish to resume your previous set speed, just push the stalk upwards. Your Lexus will accelerate back to that speed. Remember to use cruise control responsibly, primarily on open highways and not in heavy traffic or adverse weather conditions. Always stay alert and ready to take over. For more great tips and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.